lashers, I'm back with another tutorial. This time I'm going to show you guys how I do my hybrid sets because I feel like there is a lot of misconception on what exactly a hybrid set is. So I'm here to break it down in a way that will help you achieve a consistent, light, wispy hybrid look every time. If you struggle with your hybrid maps or are just curious of learning an easier method, keep watching. So before I start the tutorial, I just wanted to let you guys know that I did finally finish my beginner's classic and volume online lash course. After about half a year of recording, writing, and piecing together the material, I have finally completed and published this fully in-depth online training. And it is now available to purchase through my website, which I will have linked in the description box below. Here's a preview of the full course curriculum. There are video demos, quizzes, and study material involved in this course, and it's completely self-guided. So by purchasing, you're granted a year-long access and certified upon completion of your training. If you're new to lashes and don't know where to start, or have had some training but need a refresher, this training is designed for you. For a limited time, it is available at a low price, so take advantage while you can. Again, the link will be in the description to purchase. Now let's get into the tutorial. Think of a hybrid set as being majority classic lashes, approximately 75%, and volume lashes approximately 25%. For this client, she wanted a very short length, so we used 9 through 12 on her top layer and 8 through 11 on her bottom layer. We are also going to be using 0.07 diameter for the volume and 0.15 for our classic diameter. We will be lashing in layers to make this the easiest way to achieve a hybrid look. You may choose to use tape back method if you'd like, but you don't necessarily have to. Start by applying classics to the top layer or most easily accessible lashes using the map we just created. By starting with the classic application first, we will cut down on time. Classics are much quicker to apply, and since this set is majority classic lashes, we will finish a large portion of the set faster. Once I feel like I have lashed the majority of the top and middle layer of this client with the classic lashes, I'm going to go ahead and start lashing her bottom layer with the volume fans to give them just a little fullness. Hybrid should never look like a volume set. It can if you want it to, but when clients who typically have done hybrid lashes before are coming to you for the first time expecting a hybrid set, they're wanting something more natural. But then again, you are the artist. You can choose what you want to define your hybrid sets as. However, I feel hybrid is meant to be an in-between classic and volume style and should be offered as one. Otherwise, it's just a wispy volume set. Like I mentioned before, if you choose, you can use the tape back method to do this final step in adding the volume lashes. It will make this part easier and quicker, but I chose not to do that because this client's lashes were fairly easy to isolate as it was, and it wasn't hard for me to get down to her bottom layer at all. Another thing to mention is that this bottom layer should be shorter than the top. Since she was already looking for a natural length, I only went down one size, not to take away too much volume from the overall look. But if your client wants them longer or a more wispy effect, you can definitely choose to skip 2 or even 3 sizes between the top and bottom layer. The bigger the size difference, the more wispy the lash set will come out. And here is the completed look. Very natural, but more than just a mascara effect, and so easy to achieve. I hope this hyper tutorial was helpful in any way. Please let me know in the comments and like if you're going to try this set and mapping out. If you do plan on using this method, feel free to play around with other diameter and length combinations. Thanks for watching. Bye!